Ever struggled with UI UX inspiration and ended up scrolling endlessly through Dribble and Behance? What if I told you there's a smarter way? Meet Mobbin.com, the ultimate UI UX research tool that gives you direct access to thousands of real-world mobile and web app design used by top companies. Let's dive in. Mobbin is a massive design reference library filled with thousands of curated UI UX patterns from the best design apps in the world. Whether you're a designer, developer, or product manager, Mobbin helps you study top-tier design approaches without wasting time. Mobbin isn't just a screenshot gallery, it is a structured database of UI components, navigation flow, and interaction patterns from real apps like Airbnb, Stripe, and Instagram. It shows you how industry leaders solve design challenges. Need inspiration for sign-up flow, onboarding screen, dark mode? Mobbin lets you filter by app category, feature type, and even individual UI elements. No more endless guesswork. While many platforms focus on only mobile, Mobbin gives you a breakdown of both web and mobile interface, helping you maintain design consistency across platforms. New apps and updates are added regularly, meaning you are always looking at fresh, relevant design instead of outdated UI trends. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Mobbin lets you see what works and adapts it to your needs, helping you work faster without compromising quality. If you're serious about UI UX design, Mobbin.com is a must-have. It's like having an industry playbook at your fingerprints. Let me know what your biggest UI UX design challenge is. Drop a comment below, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tools that will help you level up the workflow. See you in the next one.